you got there, Josh?
Shirt?
Yeah, new shirt. Who gave it to you? No. Who gave it? Yeah. There we go. What is it? Moonshine or what?
Garage.
There we go. Thank you guys very much. Greatly appreciate it. You guys are the best. Have a good one. Okay, so I totally did not film on the ride up here, but we stopped off here to get a new addition for the Camaro. So hopefully I won't mess everything up, but I probably will. So, oh well, it is what it is. But got a roll cage, full on roll cage that I'm gonna try to convert mine into a full cage and not have to use the main hoop. And we will go from there. What sucks is I didn't see any flat plates. So let me re-look at that real quick. I showed everyone, but we do have the whole clan with us right now. Got all the dogs. And yeah, we are going back to California, unfortunately. I wish we didn't have to go back to California, but unfortunately that's where we live. But yep, headed back. We have gone on to the next phase. What we did last time, we installed Viking Performance, their cam and valve spring setup, along with push rods. So that is done, completed to this. I do need to get a crank bolt because every single one that I'm getting is not turning out to be all that well. So need to get a new crank bolt, and then that portion is fully done. So what we're moving on to next is Kooks, going on for the exhaust manifolds, aka headers. Yeah, I've always gone with Kooks when it comes to a 4th Gen F body. That's just me. That's what I like. Own personal preference. They're very easy to install without having to take off motor mounts or any of that stuff. Some other competitors, you do have to go through that process to install them when they're in the vehicle. Yeah, easy to get access for spark plugs, spark plug wires, all that stuff. Great quality. American made in the USA since 1962. I believe that they are the best in the business. That's just me. For 4th Gen F body style of headers, there are other competitors that are doing very well. But this is just personally what I go with. This is where we're at. Got water pump on. I do need to take off the harmonic balancer once again, and then put on the LS1 harmonic balancer. Just pressure washed the mounts and everything, so those are all clean. My spindles were painted before, and they're actually doing really good with the paint, whatever I painted them with. Well, you can see some chips. Never mind. I lied. So it seemed like that they were doing good, but just pressure washed them. So yeah, they could use a little bit more paint. Headers are all on. I had to lift the motor up and put it on blocks to get this side in because of my dolly, the way that the dolly sits, but oh well. Starter will go on once I get this harmonic balancer on. And then also these bolts, fuck you, Dorman. It says made in the USA. It's torque to yields. I went through 3 of these and they all have fucked up threads, which, see, this one was like right here, which doesn't allow me to twist it on anymore. So ARP it is, which this one works all the way down, no issues whatsoever. So we'll be doing ARP. Just gotta pull off that balancer. Once I pull off that, once I pull off that balancer, I can put on that one, and then that bolt can go in, which then allows me to put my starter in and take off that little plate that I have right there on the flywheel. That will be probably bolted up next. After I do all that and I get that alternator bracket on, because I do have an alternator right over there that I could put on. So getting closer. I just really didn't film it, so my bad. I'm new to this. I'm trying. Everything else on, but now I need to, well, not everything. What I need to do is get that starter on. Once the starter's on, I mean, I could do some spark plugs. And then front spindles. Oh, I could do shocks. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go with them. So I could do that. But little by little, as you can see, this is like small space to be working with. Doing that, I mean, crammed up in here, but anyways, got my bench, everything set up, all the parts in here waiting to be put on. And then, man, thank you very much, Mario, for this right here. This is like the best thing ever. Maneuvers around, excellence. So yeah, I love it. Don't know if you can hear it, but it is raining outside, and we literally, yeah, we washed the intake manifold, the LS3 intake manifold. Anyways, so we got the stock bottom end that we put a Viking Performance stage 3 polluter cam in there. What we have going on right now, we have the Viking Performance double adjustable front coilovers that we will be installing on the K-member before it goes in. Really nice work right there. Got this portion in that we're gonna do. Easily install into there. Then we can add on our spindles right here onto there. And then we do have upper mounts that just came in. So that will be excellent. So we'll try to get this 2-8'd and ready to go. And we'll get back to you guys. But thanks again for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you guys do like this content. I know me and Josh, we do like this content. We kind of do throw in a little bit of cuss words every now and then. So sorry for the people that try to keep it PG-13, but you know, we are all adults in here. Try our best, but once again, we let it slip. We're in the garage. I mean, we do guy talk, right, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're doing guy talk sometimes, all right? Yeah. So if that hurts some feelings, greatly, I apologize for that if that does hurt some feelings, but you know what? Also, like Candace Owens says, life is hard, so wear a helmet. And yeah, that's how we should live by it. But anyways, how do we do it? Peace out. Peace out. Y'all have a great one. Bye.
Perfect.
How's it look?
Real good.
Now, what'd you say before that?
We're fucking good.
Oh, yeah. That's what we're talking about over here. Josh, what do we say?
Peace.
Peace out, man. So thanks again for watching. This right here is the Viking double adjustable shock installation into a 4th gen F body, 93 through 2002. And yeah, that's what we went with. So greatly appreciate it. If you do like this content, please like and subscribe. Also, comment. Let us know. If you don't like it, let us know what you would like. But anyways, until then, peace out. Love you all.
Love you all. Bye.
Bye.